all. Today we will learn about Window Explorer. In this video, we will learn following things. Create a folder. Delete a folder. Rename a folder. Move a folder. Make shortcut of a folder on desktop. Search particular file and folder in computer. Starting Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer let us view, open, copy and manage our file and folder in the Windows operating system. In Windows 8, the live tiles can be seen by clicking on the window logo or clicking on the left bottom corner of the window. The live tiles organizes various applications into a single window and also provide live feed. Okay. The Window Explorer can be also opened by clicking on the Start button, which appears when the mouse is moved to the right bottom of the window. Open File Explorer by swiping in from the right edge of the screen and then clicking Search, entering File Explorer in the search box and then tapping or clicking File Explorer. Components of Window Explorer. The various components of the File Explorer are shown below. Left pane. It is used to get to all kind of location and drivers. Back, forward and up button. These are used to navigate through locations or files. Ribbon. The ribbon can be used for copying, moving, creating new folders, emailing, zipping items, changing views, etc. Address bar. It is used to entering or selecting a location. File list. This is where the contents of the current folder are displayed. Column heading. It is used to view the file according to our desired need, like date modified. Option. Sort the file according to date on which they are created. Search box. It is used to enter a word or a phrase to look for an item in the current folder. Status bar. It can be used to view the total number of items in a location or the number of selected items and their total size. Details or preview pane. It is used to view some common properties associated with the selected file such as author, date, etc. Panes of Windows Explorer. On clicking the View menu, you can see the various panes available in Windows 8 Explorer as shown below. These panes are Preview pane, Details pane and Navigation pane. Working with folder in left pane. On expanding a disk drive or clicking a window or folder like desktop, downloads, recent places, etc. You can get the content of the window or folder on the right pane of the Window Explorer. And on selecting and clicking a disk drive, you can get the file and folder of that particular drive on the right pane of the Window Explorer. And all the folders of the drive on left pane of the Window Explorer. And now you can move file and folder from one place to another by dragging and dropping the same from left pane to right pane and vice versa. Managing files and folder in Window Explorer. On selecting the folder in left pane of the Windows Explorer, you can view the file present in that folder. Similarly, you can view the content of a disk drive. You can even directly drag and drop files or folder from one location to another location, same like copy and paste. Modes of view. The content shown on the right pane of the Window Explorer can be viewed in one of the following mode: extra large icon, medium icon, small icon, list, details, tiles, content. Try it to view the effect of this mode. File naming convention. All the file systems follow the same general naming conventions for an individual file: a base file name and an optional extension separated by a period. However, each file system may have own naming convention. Some of the basic rules followed while naming file in Windows are listed below. Use a period to separate the base file name from the extension in the name of a directory or file. Use a backslash to separate the components of a path. Use a backslash as required as part of volume names. For example, the C:\backslash in C:\path\file. Do not assume case sensitivity. For example, capital WINDOWS and small WINDOWS should be treated equal. Use any characters in the current code page for a name, including Unicode character and characters in the extended character set, except for the following reserved character: less than, greater than, colon, double quote, forward slash, backslash, vertical bar or pipe, question mark and asterisk. Searching files. One or more file can be searched by using wildcard, exclamation for one character and asterisk for none, one or more characters. Searching of a file can be done based on either its name or its file extension. For example, *docx will search display all the document file or Word file in the drive or path selected. Similarly, abc.docx will search and display Word file having name ABC. The search box is shown below. Search box is here. Creating shortcut. A shortcut is a link to an item such as file, folder or program on a computer. You can create shortcut and then place them in a convenient location for our use. Shortcuts can be distinguished from the original file by the arrow that appear on the icon. This is the main file and this is the shortcut of that file. To create a shortcut, open the location containing by item that you want to create a shortcut to. Right click the item and then click create shortcut. The new shortcut appear in the same location as the original item. Drag the new shortcut to the desired location. Create shortcut option is here. To delete a shortcut, right click the shortcut that you want to delete, click delete and then click yes. If you are prompted for an administrator password or confirmation, type the password or provide confirmation. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.